Most MedSpa ads look good, but do they actually book clients? Today we're going to rewrite one live so you can see exactly what you can fix. Here we are in the meta ads library, and I'm going to choose one of these ads here from Glow Up MedSpa. Let's go with this one here, see ad details. This is a real ad pulled from the library, and while it's visually strong, it may not be doing what the one thing it's supposed to do, getting appointments, all right? Here's the original ad copy. It says, limited time offer, 20% off all painless laser hair removal packages, so you never have to pick up a razor again. And it gives the address of the med spa. So what's wrong? Here's why this ad may not be converting. It starts off with limited time offer, but doesn't feel exciting or urgent, right? That phrase is everywhere. It blends in, it doesn't stand out. The benefit is good, right? So never shave again. But it's tucked in the middle of the sentence, right here. That should be front and center. There's also no hook for locals. If you're in Santa Ana, right, you want to know this deal is for you. I mean, you do have the address here, which is great, but you want to have it really in the beginning so people know this ad is for them. The copy lacks emotion, right? It doesn't hit on the real pain of shaving, the nicks, the stubble, the wasted time, or the freedom of ditching the razor for good. There's no scarcity, right? On the image here, and here it says 20% off, but there's no reason to act today, right? No mention of how many spots, how long it lasts, or who it's for. The headline is decent, never shave again, but it's not paired with a strong CTA or emotional angle to back it up. So let's rewrite this ad using the same structure we use in the $97 rewrite service that we offer. I'm going to open up a Google Doc here real quick. So document here, let's call this Glow Up MedSpa Rewrite. I'm just going to go ahead and grab the image here so I have it. Save image, desktop, and I'm going to drop this right in here so I can have it in front of me. So open computer, should be right there. All right, so there's the image. So I'm gonna image there. I'm gonna make this a little smaller, and then we're gonna start writing our copy. So add copy. So original copy said limited time offer. We're gonna call out the audience here. So hey Santa Ana, done with razors for good. You're giving 20% off, 20% off our painless laser hair removal packages. Add some urgency in here, but only for a few days. Smooth skin, no stubble, no stress. So we're gonna say, who is this for? This deal's just for first timers, and we've only got some urgency here and some scarcity. So we've only got 6 spots left this week. So if you're sick of shaving, now's the time. Book now, right? Call to action, Glow Up. Pick now at Glow Up Spa. All right, that's our ad copy. Hey Santa Ana, done with razors for good. Get 20% off Get 20% off our painless laser hair removal packages, but only for a few days. Smooth skin, no stubble, no stress. This deal is just for first timers, and we've only got 6 spots left this week. So if you're sick of shaving, now's the time. Book now at Glow Up Spa. All right, Glow Up Spa. Let's add some headline options here. So never shave again was a cool one. I'm gonna throw in buy razors. Hello, smooth skin. So there's a little play on words here, right? Buy, B-Y-E, or buy, B-U-Y, and then 20% off laser this week only. Right? I mean, you do have some urgency here in the image here, but that wasn't in the copy. So if you want to put that book by 6:30, that's fine. But yeah, it was not in the copy, just in the image here, and it was very hard to see. I didn't even notice that. So some information about the changes that we're making here. So we're going to call out the local audience. So say, hey, Santa Ana, immediately tells the viewer that this is for you. Direct pain point hook, right? So done with razors for good is simple and conversational. Benefits are emotional and sensory, right? So smooth skin and no stubble. Let me say it's no stubble, no stress. It's short, rhythmic, and it feels like relief. A clear urgency, right? 20% off. No, sorry, only 6 spots left this week. Adds real scarcity and nudges people to act now, not later. The offer is still 20% off here, right? But it's now tied to a why now moment and why you exclusivity, right? First time is only, short window, and limited availability. And there's a tone shift, right? It's confident, upbeat, and personal, like a friend letting you in on a secret, not a brand shouting into the void. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.